Yo, what's up guys, I'm back with another new video. So in this video I'm going to make a power bank. So any kind of wasting time, let's get started. So I am using this 18650 lithium ion battery. You can use any kind of battery for this project. I am using this power bank module. You can use any kind of power bank module for this. Let's talk about the connection. So connect the batteries minus to the power bank minus and connect battery plus to the power bank plus. Place the circuit in a box.
Ya vete entera, sin ropilla, como quieres. Sé que estoy haciendo mal. Ella me dice, ay no.
I am using this black tape for design. So here's the final design of our power bank. So let's test the power bank, is it working or not.